Dear students, a very good morning to you all. In today's class we are discussing about the most commonly used output function from a Python, that is all about the print function. Then already we know what is the use of this print. It helps us to print something on monitor screen. Let us see it practically. I'll go for the IDLE command prompt. Already Python has been installed in my machine. I use print function, then bracket, double quote, I print hello world. It prints the given message on monitor. Hello world is printed. Similarly, you can print enter your name. It prints enter your name on monitor. While writing programs, sometimes we print enter a number. It prints enter a number. Sometimes to print the results we use addition is. It prints addition is. That means required text message can be displayed on terminal. You can use print and bracket. In single quote also you can type hello. You can type that message in single quote also, and you can type that required message in double quote also, or you can type the required text message in 3 times single quote also. 1, 2, 3. You can see all these 3 here. Here I typed hello in pair of single quotes, and I typed here in the pair of double quote. Here I typed in the pair of 3 times single quote. All the outputs are same. But at what time we need to use single quote, at what time we need to use double quote, at what time we need to use 3 times single quote. Let us see it. Here you can see here in this notes print hello world, hello comma world. Double quote has been used, right? Now how to write the comments in Python? We use hash symbol here, simple print statement. Now I will copy it, right button, copy. I go to the IDLE, I'll paste. I get the message hello world. Here we use double quote. Here you can see print variables. Here name is the string variable. Why it is string variable? Because string alias has been stored here. It is printing the text message user. Afterwards it prints the contents of that variable. Then what will be the output? User alias. Let us print it. I will copy these two, right mouse button and copy. Then I will go to the IDLE, interactive mode. I press enter. Alright. Name is alias. Okay, I run one after another. I run first name alias, executed. Then I take print username, copy and run it. I got user is alias. This is what how to make the use of print. Here you can see hello world has been typed in pair of double quotes. Hello students has been typed in pair of single quote. And here you can see 3 times single quote we are using. You can see the given text is of 3 lines. Welcome to Python. This is a multi-line message for students. That means the text message whichever we are typing is of multi-lines. First line is completed, second line started, third line. That means text message is exceeding the first line also. Then make the use of 3 times single quote. Then what will be the output? Welcome to Python. This is a multi-line message for students. Let us copy this and run in interactive mode. Control V. Welcome to Python. This is a multi-line message for student. Now one more is there. What is that? Double quote. Here you can see she said hello to me. I want to print hello in double quote only on the terminal. She said hello to me. That means what will be the output? She said hello will be printed in double quote to me. Just copy it, right mouse button, then go to the command window, command line, and press enter. She said hello to me. For example, print bracket hi in double quote John Okay, how are you, right? Single quote. Starting also I used single quote, at the end also I used single quote, but John I typed in double quote. Then what will be the output? It prints, hi John, how are you? John is printed in double quote. That is what the difference between making the use of double quotes and making the use of pair of single quotes. Here you can see single quote has been used, no worry at all, but single quote as well as double quote has been used. Use single quotes when your sentence contains double quotes inside. You can use this when your text doesn't contain double quotes inside. When do you use double quote? When your text doesn't contain any double quotes inside. When do you use pair of single quotes? Use single quotes when your sentence contains double quotes inside. Then when do you use 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quote? Triple quotes are used for multi-line strings, text that spans multiple lines. Print single quote, single quote, single quote. Welcome to Python. This is a multi-line message for students. Instead of using single quote 3 times, you can use double quote 3 times also. Welcome to Python. Learning Python is easy. Practice every day. You can copy it and you can run in the command line. Control, press enter. I got the output. Now this is what all about making the use of single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes. If you get a question on print in examination, why can't you explain about all these 3 pair of quotes? If you explain, well, it will be much more happier. You get good marks for that question. Then here you can see some outputs. Print hello world, print my name is Rohan. It prints the given value 10 and 25. It does the addition and it's printing the result. It prints Python is easy, right? Python is one word, easy is another word, easy is another word. All the 3 words are separated by space. Python using single quotes. Welcome to Python. Learning Python is fun. Double quote. Welcome to Python programming. Pair of triple quotes. My age is 20. It is a constant. Print hello / students. Hello prints and students I am getting in the next line. Let us copy and run. Paste here. Hello students. You can use new line character also. This is what all about the tip for beginners. Print is used to display messages, numbers and results on the screen. But let us see about the use of print in detail. What is the syntax? Guido van Rossum designed and developed it. Still many options are there. While working with print we can use it. Here you can see print objects, comma, separator, end, /n, file, sys.stdout and flush equals to false. This is mandatory. Okay, these are all optional options. You can see objects, the value to be printed. Any number of objects can be provided and they are converted to strings before output. Separator, what is this separator? It is optional, and end optional, you can use it. File, flush. Let us see the examples. Print hello world. This is what the object, that means it prints hello world. Name, alias, age 25. Objects I am providing. Name, alias, age 25. Now you can see here name, alias, age 25 are separated by the space. The items are separated by the default space. So I am getting the space between alias and age and 25. Now by default it is using space. I do not want space. I need hyphen. Here you can see Python is fun. Separator equals to, in double quote, hyphen. Python hyphen is hyphen fun. Python is fun. If you won't use it, it takes the space. That means separator. Separator you can mention as per the need. That is what interesting option is available. Separator. The separate parameter changes the separator from a space to a hyphen. If you type here question mark, I get Python question mark is question mark fun. Let us copy it and run. Here I will paste, then I will run it. Python is fun. Instead of this hyphen, you can take dot dot. I will change this one from hyphen to. Okay, it is not my keyboard is not functioning. No worry, you can do this change and you can try by your own. Come back to the explanation. You can do it manually, no worries at all. Now one more interesting, preventing new line. Now welcome to Python. Now what will be the output actually if you use print 2 times? Now one question to all of you. Now what I do, if I run like this, print welcome to Python, what will be the output? It prints welcome to in one line. In the new line it prints Python. See it here. I will copy paste. Okay, I run separately. I will copy it. Copy. Now what happens, do you know? It prints welcome to. Okay, now let us take a file so that you can understand. I'll take the new file, I'll paste here, welcome to print. I'll go for alt tab, I will copy this one, copy, alt tab, then I'll come back here, I'll paste here, file, I'll save this script like pg1 program 1. Okay, already one file is there. Overwrite s. Let us run it. This is the output, welcome to Python. Python is printed in the new line. Python is printed in the new line. I will say thank you. If you say thank you prints in another line. That means welcome to in the first line, Python in the second line, thank you in the third line. Run. Would you like to say yes? Welcome to Python, thank you. But I need this Python in the previous line. I need thank you in the previous line. By default, you can see in this syntax, by default Python makes the use of /n, end /n. /n means new line character. By default, after printing, the cursor is going to the next line. But I don't want to move that cursor to the next line. Then what I do you know? Here you can see in the example. Where is it? Right here. I recorrected. End equals to double quote space double quote. I'll go for undo. I'll get it back. Yes, you can see. End equals to double quote space double quote. This time it prints welcome to. I changed the end from new line to space. That means Python interpreter Python prints welcome to, afterwards one space. Then I get Python here only. Let us alt tab, go back to the script, and here type end equals to double quote space double quote. Now can you guess the output? Welcome to, I get this Python here only. Thank you in the next line, because here end is not utilized by us. That means by default that is the new line. Let us run it. Okay, you can see welcome to Python, then thank you. Oh, nice to hear. Here you can see this thank you I need in the previous line. Then end equals to space. Right, now let us run it. Okay, now welcome to Python, thank you. Yes, no worries. This is what all about the print in detail. And here you can see preventing new line. This is what we studied. One more is there. What F stands for? String formatting. What name is a variable wherein Bob is there. String variable. Age is a variable of integer type. Now I want to print Bob is 30 years old. Print opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. And F I have used here F, right? That is the rule syntax. F you have to use. Okay, string formatting. Afterwards in flower brackets I typed a name. That means Bob prints here. Bob is 30 years old. You can access the contents of variable in the text message by using the pair of flower brackets. Bob is 30 years old. Here you can see printing a blank line. Print first line, print just pair of parentheses without double quote, single quote, without pair of something. Without pair of something means prints a blank line. Then second line, first line, second line. Let us take this, copy, Alt tab, go to the script, paste here, then run it. I run it. See here, welcome to Python, thank you. First line, you can see the blank line over here. Sometimes to print the blank line we need to use just print. That is what all about the print. That means in today's class we discussed about the print function from a Python in detail. That means print helps us to print the output on monitor. You can use to print the text message, you can use pair of double quote or the text message with the contents of variable, or you can take the text message in pair of single quote, and if you are trying to print something in double quote, and then you can use double quote, but entire thing must be in the pair of single quote. Then multi-line message means triple quotes we use, and you can print the constants also like this, and the results of an expression also you can print. And we discussed about the syntax of print in detail, object, separator, and file. We have not discussed about the file. File means what do you know? By default output will be transmitted. Specifies an object with the right method where the output will be sent. Default is the console. Console means console oriented input. Console means whichever we can see and touch. Console oriented output device is monitor. Console oriented input device is keyboard. By default it is sending the output to the console, that is standard output stream. Standard output stream goes to the monitor screen. By default it is sending the output to the monitor. That is what the default option. Flush equals to false. It is a boolean value. If it is true, the output stream is forcibly flushed, written immediately. Otherwise it is buffered by default. Buffered means that will be saved in computer's temporary memory. That is what all about the print function from a Python we discussed in detail. Thank you, my dear students. Take care. Bye. See you in the next class.